Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable jump to camera on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And settings, okay, scroll down and go to system, okay, tap this. And system, okay, you can see the gestures, tap gestures. And gestures, you can see the jump to camera. And the jump to camera is off. And okay guys, to enable this, okay, or to turn on, you'll have to do is tap the jump to camera here and jump to camera. Okay, you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, if this turn on, to quickly open camera, press the power button twice, work from any screen. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side to enable the jump to camera. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, press the power button twice. Okay, 1, 2. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the jump to camera on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, to disable again, okay, go to settings again and okay, turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled jump to camera on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.